갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long, right? I'm so sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I've been so busy, so busy with my business, so busy with training of a thing. So I'm so sorry guys, pardon me. So it's your girl Divas, and if today is your first time of stopping by, please feel free to join the family. And from now I'm going to be dropping like 2 or 3 videos every weekend. Okay, I'm going to be dropping 2 or 3 videos every weekend. I'll be so busy guys, you won't blame me now. I have to be attending to my clients, I have to be attending to my students, and I have to be making formulations also. Just me, no sales girl, no worker, just me. I do everything myself, I go to the post myself. So please guys, pardon me, but I'm here guys. So let me quickly make this announcement before we start the business for today. So guys, if you're not yet registered for my online training, yes, registration is open now. You can start to register. So I'm doing 50% discount at the moment. Okay, I'm doing 50% discount at the moment. So you can register, you can learn how to produce lotions, you can learn how to produce creams, you can learn how to produce different types of products. Okay, if you want to learn how to make the pure organic from scratch, you can also learn that. If you want to learn how to do the promising, you can also learn that. If you want to learn how to calculate your percentage, if you want to learn how to use the active ingredient, you can also learn that. Okay, so guys, let's start the video for today. So today guys, I will be teaching you all, or letting you all know, the difference between the fake Pimento serum and the original Pimento serum. Okay, so some people will think maybe the fake Pimento serum has to do with the bottle or the carton of the bottle. No, don't get it twisted guys. You can have a fake Pimento serum with the same exact bottle that they are also using for the original Pimento serum. You can also get a fake Pimento serum with the exact carton that they are also using for the fake Pimento, for the original Pimento serum. So the bottles has nothing to do with this one is original and this one is fake. So many people get it twisted, like please, because the bottle is like this is fake. No, because the carton is like this is fake. No. So I am a living testimony. I am a living testimony because I got the fake original, sorry, I got the fake Pimento serum. So that is why I'm doing this video for you guys to take note. Okay, so guys, let me start with the original Pimento serum. Okay, so here is the original Pimento serum, right? Here is the original Pimento serum. If you take a good look at the bottle, it has the gold cover, and it also have this 2 silver line here. Okay, it also have this 2 silver line here, and if you take a good look at it again, you will see where the wrote Pimedoux here. Okay, here they wrote piment here. So this one is the original one. This is pure original Pimento serum. You can leave this for like even, okay, this product is going to expire 2025. You can leave this till 2025 and it will not change color, it will not spoil. Even if you keep this inside, like under the sun, it will not change color, it will not spoil, it's still going to remain like this because this is the original Pimento serum. So don't concentrate on the cover because the cover is gold, because it has 2 lines here. So you would think, okay, it's original. No, it has to do with the content inside, it has to do with the product inside, not just the bottle, not just the cover. Because I've seen so many videos here on YouTube, some people, if they want to differentiate the fake Pimento serum and the original Pimento serum, they always say, the cover is like this, the bottle is like this, they did not write Pimentos here and that. No, they can do fake Pimento serum for you with the same bottle, the same cover, and the same write-up. So you guys just have to be smart. You guys have to be smart. And most people claim that Pimedoux serum is really not good on the skin. Okay, let me just show you the fake Pimedoux serum first, then we are going to get back to why people think Pimedoux serum is not good on the skin, is harsh on the skin, blah 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 blah. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the fake Pimedoux serum. So guys, voila, here is the fake Pimedoux serum. You can see the serum is up. I don't know what is this, if this is water, if this is oil, I really don't know. You can see the separation. You can see the separation. Now let me get the original Pimento serum. Can you see this too? This is the fake and this is the original. Now just check out the bottles. You can see the fake. It also have the gold bottles and also 2 silver lines, and the original also have the gold bottles, the gold cover, and also 2 silver lines. And even the fake Pimedoux serum, they also wrote piment on the bottle. So you, like this, you can never tell this is fake unless the content inside, unless the product inside, or maybe if you use the product you start having some bad reactions. That is when you're going to tell if you bought the original Pimedoux serum or if you actually got the fake Pimedoux serum. Now this fake Pimedoux serum, if you use it on your skin, trust me, you're going to have too much of bad reaction. You're going to have too much of bad reaction. Or maybe you buy, let me just say, maybe you buy a cream, a product from any skincare formulator, and you went home, you decided to add Pimedoux serum inside your product just to make it a little bit arty, and you mistakenly added this Pimedoux serum inside. By the time you use the product and you start complaining to the seller, the person where you bought your lotion from, you start complaining, madam, this your product is reacting on my skin. No, it is what you added inside. So you can see, you cannot even tell the one that is fake and the one that is original just because of the bottles, because the bottles are the same. The bottles are the same. The bottles are the same. You can really not tell which one is the fake, but because of the product inside, that is when you can tell which one is the fake. So now I bought this one from trade fair. Guys, if you're buying products from trade fair, be careful. If you are buying products from trade fair, man, that is the depot of fake products. Well, I don't want to spoil that business anyway, because they also have some people that sells original products there. I bought this one from trade fair. This very one, I bought it from trade fair. So when I got the product here in Europe, I opened it. I was like, wow, this is a pure fake Pimedoux serum. So I called the seller. The seller was like, no, it is original. I said, you cannot tell me this is original, because I'm into skincare products. So when I see fake, I know fake. And meanwhile, I have this one. This one, I bought this one since last year. And this one, there's nothing like separation. You can see the difference. And this is the one I'm selling. I also bought this one to sell, but when I noticed that this one is the fake, I couldn't sell it. They are all here in my house. 12 dozens. They are all here in my house. So you know, if you're in Europe and you are buying things from like Cotonou, you're buying things from like Abidjan, you're buying things from Nigeria. By the time you get the things, and if they are fake, it's very hard to send them back. If I'm in Nigeria, I will just pack all the products and go and return it back. But because I'm in Europe, I have no choice. My money is gone. But trust me, I cannot sell this product to anybody to use. You can see I cannot sell it to anybody to use. This is pure fake. And if you add this inside your lotion, you start having skin reaction, green veins all over your body, green veins all over your body. But if you are using the original Pimedoux, trust me, you will not have skin reaction. Like people will say Pimedoux is not good. Pimedoux is made with fruit acid. If you read the content that they use in producing Pimedoux serum, they are made with fruit acid. Fruit acid, like form of pineapple, oranges, things like that, carrots, things like that. That is what they use in making Pimedoux serum. And because this one is a fake one, you're going to have bad reaction. This is how it is. So now I'm going to give this a shake, okay? So you can see I've given this a shake. It comes like this, and it's still very light. So this is video. I don't know if you can see it. This one is really thick. This one is really light. So if I allow this to sit for like 20 minutes again, it's going to separate. But this one, even if you shake it, even if you leave it like this, it's still going to be like this. And if you open the both bottles, this one is running like water. This one is running like water, while this one is very thick. So if you add this original one inside your lotion, you don't need to be scared like, Pimedoux is going to give you skin reaction, it's going to give you green vein. But if you're adding too much of Pimedoux, like you have a lotion of 500 ml, one Pimedoux is okay. By the time you start adding from let's just say from 3 to 4 Pimedoux serum inside your 500 ml of lotion, is going to give you green vein, sure, because there are some people, their skin is really light, so they start having green vein. But this one, trust me, this is the fake one. If you add the fake Pimedoux inside your lotion, trust me, not just green vein, you're going to have a very bad reaction. So guys, take note. If you buy a Pimedoux serum, just try to open it. Maybe if you want to buy much, you can just buy only one. Open it, you will see that the Pimedoux serum is running. The fake one is really running. And most time you will see the product will separate. The oil will be down, and the what so called they use in making it will be up. The oil will be down. What so called they use to make it will be up. That one is the pure fake one. So don't just use because the both bottles are the same, so this one is the original. No, just concentrate with the product inside, not the bottles they use in making it. Concentrate with the product inside the bottle. So this is how you know your fake and your original Pimedoux serum. So I hope I get this clear. I don't know if you guys understand me. So if you want to buy the original Pimedoux serum, if you're in Europe, if you're in US, if you're in Canada, I sell Pimedoux serum and I sell the original. This fake one, I bought it for selling also, but because it's fake, I can't sell it because selling it is spoiling people's skin and also spoiling my own business. So I have the original Pimedoux serum that I'm also selling. So if you're in Nigeria, you can go to the market and look for Pimedoux serum. Make sure to be very smart. Don't just check the bottles alone. Check the product inside, okay? Make sure that you're checking the product inside. You can get just one bottles and just do a test, check it, leave your bottles for like 1 week, 2 weeks, and you come and check the product again if it has separated or something like that, okay? Because these our brothers, my dear, they can do undo, okay? They can do imitation of bottles, imitation of label, everything. So don't just get fooled by them. Make sure that you're getting the right product so that you don't be complaining, this product is not good. Because most people, they always say Pimedoux is not good, or it's not good. Who says so? It's good if you're using the right product. It's good if you're using the right amount. It's good if you're using the original. But once you get the fake one, you have spoiled your skin and you start blaming Pimedoux product. Okay, so guys, I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you have any question, ask your question on the comment section. Don't come to my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp are for those that want to buy my products. My WhatsApp are for those that want to take my classes. So if you want to ask any question, please let your question be asked here on YouTube on the comment section, guys. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping another video. So I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews. And I'm also going to teach you all how to formulate with hydroquinone, okay? Hydroquinone. I'm going to teach you all how to formulate with hydroquinone. Guys, stay tuned, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.